Imagine a morning made brighter with the aroma of freshly made pancakes. Let's dive into the art of making this delightful United States breakfast staple. Start with a blend of flour, a couple of eggs, milk, and a pinch of baking powder. This magical mix forms the batter for our fluffy pancakes. Ensure a smooth consistency, free of lumps to achieve the perfect texture. Next, heat a griddle over medium heat. Pour a dollop of batter and watch as it transforms into a golden circle of deliciousness. Flip it over with a spatula when bubbles form on the surface. Once cooked to a perfect golden brown, stack these pancakes high on a plate, ready for the grand finale. Bring on the butter, letting it melt into the warm pancakes, forming a rich, creamy layer. And now, for the crowning glory, a generous drizzle of maple syrup. Observe as it cascades over the stack, pooling at the base, ready to be savored. There you have it, a classic United States breakfast. Pancakes with maple syrup, a delicious start to any day.